Hello friends, I am Dr. P. K. Paul. Welcome to my channel. Let's think about life differently and change it. So friends, the book I will read today is called The Secret. Before starting today's video, I inform you that the link of other chapters of this book will be given at description. You can view them from there. So let's begin. You hold this great mystery in your hands. This secret has been handed down through the ages. Sometimes hidden, sometimes kidnapped, sometimes or sold for huge sums of money. Some of the most famous figures in history realized this age-old mystery: Plato, Galileo, Beethoven, Edison, Carnegie and many other inventors, philosophers, scientists, great thinkers. Now these 25 secrets are being revealed to the world. When you learn the secret, you will know how to get, do or be what you want. You will know who you really are. You will know what great things await you. Preface. The great mysteries were scattered throughout centuries of oral tradition, in various societies, religions and philosophies. This is the first time all the pieces of the mystery have been brought together and incredibly unraveled and revealed. The life of the one who knows the secret will be transformed. From this book you will learn how to apply this to every interaction with money, health, relationships or the world. You will begin to realize the hidden, undiscovered power within you. This feeling will bring joy to every aspect of your life. A few men and women today who have applied this knowledge have found their teachings in the secret of health, wealth and happiness. By applying the knowledge of the secret, they have made visible images of disease eradication, stories of huge wealth, stories of breakthroughs and images of achieving things that would seem unbelievable, which is another's. Author Rolda Bain has followed a path of inquiry similar to ours. Along the way he assembled a brilliant group of ministers, teachers, filmmakers, illustrators, writers and publishers. To bring mystery to the world and bring joy to the lives of billions through vision. Contributors include John Assaraf, Michael Bernard Beckwith, Lee Brower, Jack Canfield, Drive. John F. DeMartini, Mary Diamond, Mike Wool, Bob Doyle, Hal Doskin, Morris Goodman, Drive. John Gray, Drive. John Hagelin, Bill Harris, Drive. Ben Johnson, Laurel Lansemeyer, Lisa Nichols, Bob Proctor, James Arthur Ray, David Shermer and Marcy Shimoff, Drive. Joe Vitale, Drive. Dennis Whaley, Neil Donald Walsh, and Fred Allen Wolfe Ph.D. Fairy tales. Exactly 1 year ago my life fell apart from all sides. My work exhausted me, my father died suddenly, my relationships with colleagues and loved ones were in turmoil. All I know is that the best gift of my life came that day through utter despair. It was then that the mystery of life caught my eye. My daughter Hedley gave me a 100-year-old book. I began to look into the past to find that mystery in history. I could not believe that famous people like Plato, Shakespeare, Newton, Hugo, Beethoven, Lincoln, Emerson, Edison, Einstein knew this secret. Incredible. The question arose in my mind, why don't all people know this? A burning desire to share the secret with the whole world consumed me. I began to search for those living people who knew the secret. They started coming one by one. I became like a magnet to find. After initiation, living teachers came to me one by one. I discovered. I made those teachers who connected one another like a chain. If I go the wrong way, if something else catches my attention, it is from that changed path that the next great teacher appears. While searching the internet, I happened to hit on the wrong link and came across a very important piece of information. A few weeks later, I traced the path of the mystery through the centuries and discovered those who practiced it in the present day. The dream of turning that mystery into a film settled in my mind. The production team of my film and Doordarshan learned the secret in the next 2 months. It must be assumed that every member of the team learned, because without this knowledge it would not have been possible to do what we wanted to do. There was no teacher with us that day to guide us in making this film. But we knew the secret, so took only Bishwas and flew from Australia to the US, where most of the teachers are based. In a 7-week effort, our team captured the stories of 55 great teachers from across the United States in over 120 hours of film. Every step, every breath I took to create this film called The Secret is that secret. We literally magnetized every object and every person, 8 months after The Secret was released. As the film spread around the world, a flood of wonderful stories flooded in. People wrote about relief from chronic pain, fatigue and illness, being able to walk for the first time after an accident, and even standing up from their deathbeds. Thousands of emails were sent to us telling us about receiving large sums of money and unexpected checks using mystery. Many people apply The Secret in their quest to see their beloved house, car, life partner, job, promotion, various businesses etc. in reality, a few days. Meanwhile, their dreams began to take shape. Among them were stories of relationship crisis, warm-up, relationship change. There were also stories of children getting back on track. Some of the wonderful stories we heard from kids who applied the mystery to get everything from good grades, good friends, to whatever they wanted. The Secret inspired many to share their experiences with others, doctors with patients, schools and colleges with students, health societies with communities, churches and spiritual centers of various communities with devotees. Many homes around the world have parties in the name of The Secret to share their experiences with loved ones and families. The Secret has been applied to attracting $10 million of any object from a particular type of feather. So much has happened within just a few months of the film's release. My desire when creating The Secret, and still has, is to bring joy to billions of people around the world. Members of The Secret team are seeing that wish come true every day. Because we are getting thousands of letters from people of all ages, all races, all countries all over the world thanking us for the joy we get from The Secret. There is nothing you cannot do with this knowledge. The Secret will give you what you want. 24 outstanding teachers are mentioned in this book. They were caught on film in different places in the United States, at different times, but they all seemed to speak in the same tone. This book presents the statements of teachers of The Secret and highlights the wonderful things that happen when The Secret is working. In this book, I have shared with you all the tricks, shortcuts, so that you can live the life of your dreams. You'll notice that I've capitalized the word you in some places in the book. Because I want you, the reader, to feel and understand that I have written this book just for you. When I say you, I am talking to the person, you. I want you to feel a kinship with the pages of this book because The Secret was created for you. When you go through the pages of this book and when you learn The Secret, you will know how to get, do or be what you want. You will know who you really are. You will know what wonderful things are waiting for you. Acknowledgement. I would like to express my deepest gratitude and thanks to everyone who has come into my life, inspired me, touched my heart and enlightened me. I also express my gratitude and acknowledge my indebtedness to all those who have helped me in my journey in the writing of this book through their wonderful support and contributions. I would like to pay tribute to the distinguished co-authors of The Secret who have generously shared their knowledge, love and sacred thoughts with us. They are John Assaraf, Michael Bernard Beckwith, Lee Brower, Jack Canfield, Drive. John DeMartini, Mary Diamond, Mike Wall, Bob Doyle, Hal Doskin, Morris Goodman, Drive. John Gray, Drive. John Hagelin, Bill Harris, Drive. Ben Johnson, Laurel Langemier, Lisa Nickculp, Bob Proctor, James Ray, David Sharma, Marcy Schimpf, Drive. Joe Vitale, Drive. Dennis Wattle, Neil Donald Walsh, and Dr. Fred Allen Wolfe. The amazing people who made up the team of The Secret are Paul Harrington, Glenda Bell, Sky Byrne and Nick George. Drew Harriet, Daniel Kerr, Damian Kirby and all the others who have been with us during the making of The Secret film. Goes Media for creating the amazing graphics. James Armstrong, Shamus Hoare and Andy Lewis for making it feel so imaginative. Bob Reno, CEO of The Secret team, was like a god sent to us. Michael Gudden and to Australian and US lawyers and advisors. Kudos to The Secret website team, Dan Hollings, John Heron, and all of the wonderful people at The Secret forums who have the passion to run and manage this team. Those great avatars and teachers of the past whose writings awakened in me a burning longing. I have walked in the shadow of their greatness. I respect each of them. Special thanks to Robert Collier and Robert Collier Publications, Wallace Wattles, Charles Hannell, Joseph Campbell and the Joseph Campbell Foundation, Prentice Mulford, Genevieve Behrain, and Charles Fillmore. Richard Cohn and Cynthia Black of Atria Books, Beyond Words and Judith Carr of Simon & Sister, opened their hearts to welcome The Secret. To Henry Covey and Julie Steigerwald for editing. Kathy Goodman, Susan Sloat and Colin Ham, Susan Morris, Director of Natural Energy in Belize, Jeannie Mackay and Joe Sugarman for generously sharing their experiences. Dr. Robert Anthony, Jerry and Esther Hicks and Abraham David Cameron Gikandi, John Haricharan, Catherine Ponder, Gay and Katie Hendricks, Stephen Mr. Covey, Eckhart Tolle and Debbie Ford for their inspiring teaching. Chris and Janet Atwood, Marcia Martin, members of the Transformational Leaders Council, the Spiritual Cinema Circle, the staff of Agape Spiritual Center, and the assistants and staff of teachers whose quotes appear in The Secret for their generous support. To my precious friends, including Maris Coltoun Crilly, Margaret Raynon, Athena Golianis and John Walker, Elaine Bate, Andrea Keir and Michael and Kendra Abe for their love and support. To wonderful relatives like Peter Byrne, to my wonderful sisters Janet Child for her invaluable help with this book, to Pauline Vernon, Kay Eisen, Posthumous, and Glenda Bell who have always been by my side, whose love and support know no bounds. In memory of my brave and beautiful mother, Irene Eisen, and my father, Ronald Eisen, whose light and love have always brightened our lives. Finally to my two daughters Haley and Sky Byrne. Hale's contribution to my fresh start and moving forward and to Sky for following every step of writing this book and for excellent editing and conversion of my words. My two daughters are the precious assets of my life, brightening every moment of their existence.